Russia deploys 24 new combat aircraft in 2025. Ukrainian sources report that in 2025, Russia's defense industry delivered approximately 14 Su-34 bombers and 10 Su-35S fighter jets to its armed forces. Key context. This claim aligns with Russia's known goal of increasing aircraft production to sustain its air force during the war in Ukraine. These advanced jets are crucial for launching long-range missile and bomb strikes. The figures are plausible, but come from Ukrainian intelligence, which has an interest in highlighting the ongoing Russian threat to secure Western military aid. For verification, such future projections require checking later reports from independent defense analysts and satellite imagery.